Hey everybody, my name is Serge and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed, subscribe down below so we could grow this family to a whole new other level. Right now we're at 70 subscribers. Let's try getting to 100. It's all about the small goals over here. But if you haven't watched the previous video, go check that out right above me right here in that link, because it's just me saying sorry for not uploading a YouTube video or two or three or four or five, maybe 10, because we're bad and we ain't creating content as much as we should be. But today we're doing something a little bit different, something quick, but something I'm also very much interested in. We are unboxing some shoes, not some ordinary shoes, but practically some ordinary shoes, some YZY 350 V2s in the bone colorway. I've been wanting to unbox these for 3 days now. I've held out on this content and touched this box for 3 days, but we're doing it right now, so that's amazing. But I've also been waiting for these shoes to release since December of last year. There's a little drop info stating that these were gonna come out in April, and I got my hands on them through someone on the interwebs and they hooked me up with them, so I appreciate them so much. I'm not really a big YZY Adidas lover, but I used to have a couple in the past, but then come to realize I have more Nike products. I'm more interested in their shoes and whatnot, and it kind of goes with more of my style than Adidas or YZY. But when you have a shoe in a specific look and a colorway that could go across all spectrums of your closet, then you definitely gotta cop it, no matter what brand it is. So that's why I wanted these so badly. So we're about to do an unboxing all together. It's gonna be something quick. Again, I have not opened these since they arrived here, and I'm already impressed, already a little bit speechless, but this is it. It actually looks way cleaner in person than online. It used to be called, they were stating that the color was going to be like more like an oat finish, but oat, bone, they're kind of the same. This video is not doing it justice because I don't have the best lighting conditions in this room, but I'm really digging it right now. I'm really digging it. I'm about to take out the second one. Give me one moment. Just because I'm pretty impressed. Yeah, they're both looking really nice. The Yeezys that I had in the past, they did not have this see-through mesh fabric on the side. So when you're wearing a different color sock or whatever kind of color scheme you're going on with your outfit, you could see your sock through the shoe. So I guess match them correctly. But I know I'm gonna have to get some new socks because the only socks I got going on is Nike, and Nike crossing with Adidas, that's just a fashion crime for myself. Again, I'm in the beginnings, and my friend Jordan kind of got me into this hype business on shoes and fashion and all that. So yeah, these look really good. Again, these are the YZY 350 V2 in the bone colorway. I'm kind of speechless. I am definitely gonna be wearing them. I'm a person that wears my sneakers, but again, I'm more of a Nike lover. So our next cop hopefully will be some low dunks. I've been trying to get the pandas. I know those are gonna be releasing again. And as I say, third time's a charm. So we're gonna try getting our hands on them again. But as of right now, we're gonna be rocking this. These are probably gonna be worn right now in the spring and could be worn in the summer, practically all year round. But I kind of formulated some outfits I would love to wear with this. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me down below, hit the link down below, because I've been doing some outfit of the day reels, so go check them out. You may see these shoes on there. I love you guys. I appreciate that you guys are watching me still after not posting for such a while, for quite some time. So I hope you all are having a safe, healthy, and most importantly, blessed day. Check out these shoes online. They're beautiful, goes with everything, and I'll see you in the next video.